Good evening, myself Pradip. I'm originally from Kerala. About my education, I did BTech in Electronic and Communication in Palakkad NSS Engineering College. And I also hold a diploma in Embedded System and Linux. Now I have been 8 plus years of experience. I started my career in ANR Electronics as an embedded engineer. It is a small fair company. 1 year I worked there and I handled full lifecycle product delivery like design, development, testing and documentation. So after a year I transitioned into cybersecurity at Infant Open Source Solution as a security analysis, where my core responsibility is to ensure their product is secure, conducting various penetration testing, managing vulnerability and patching all the vulnerability gap and making complete documentation. Also help to build the security awareness of the team, and main thing is protect the application and the server cloud network layer from the potential threats. And also there I worked in the blockchain where I developed a cryptocurrency in Hyperledger. Then last 7 years I am working in automotive cybersecurity, Robert Bosch and Visteon, where I am specialized in the secure boot, secure flashing, secure debug, AutoSAR, SecOC, MAC, and different cryptographic algorithm like AES, RSA, ECC. I utilized hardware and software crypto engine like HSM, SHE, CAM, and software side MBTLS. The OS I worked is QNX 7.6, which is POSIX compliance system from BlackBerry, where the module DAC, MAC, mandatory access control, discrete access control, and QTD, safety component, E2E and EDAC, end-to-end communication protection and error detection correction. All this module integration, configuration and testing. Code analysis that I was done with Clockwork, and UT done with Vectorcast, and design and the code flow visualization done with IBM Rhapsody. Making sure all these components are in compliance with the industrial standard like ISO 21434 and ISO 26262 in safety side, and also followed all the code line like MISRA 2012, Cavority and static code analysis, and process SLCD I done. The main thing I did like development of the crypto driver for SecOC Mac. Actually I done configuration, integration, testing for the CSM CRYIF and development of the crypto driver which communicate the different crypto hardware or software depending upon the availability in the ECU and as per the requirement. I also worked in Renesas G2UH for the GM project where I used ETA Cycler HSM, where utilizing ETA Cycler HSM development of the crypto driver to communicate upper layer. There testing code analysis and making sure all are compliance with all the ISO standard 21434 and ISO 26262. Then I worked in IMX 7 and 8. I am more familiar with IMX 7 and 8 and crypto CAM engine. Also worked in Infineon microcontroller. And the testing and debugging I done in the secure boot, the container integrity testing like signature and array hash, image array hashes, tampering and detection using hub seco event, and secure flashing, auto flashing, the different test I performed and verifying the secure flash integrity testing. This is a short note about me, and I am exploring more in the automotive cybersecurity or in cybersecurity. Then other thing, I also using vibe coding and developing different application, and also done a Tara report for the AutoSAR Secosi Mac. And the tool which mostly I used for debugging Trace32, QNX and SU console, Canoi and UD's protocol. I used Ford custom tools, sometimes Canoi also. Thank you.